Alright, this is video 8 in building my sister's home in Montana. This week we had more material costs. Cost is up to $38,838. That includes Trex decking that we had bought this week, the rain screen that goes behind the wood front siding, and then we also had to buy some more lumber from RBM Materials. That lumber is more beams that I need for the front porch, and we had the rough end for the mechanical AC system or heat pump. That was $13,000, and we also had those same guys install the gas line. That was $3,600. My estimate was $3,000, so we're a little over on that. That brings our running total to $261,490. Alright, thank you for watching this week. Here's the video.
Alright, today's Tuesday. Didn't work Monday. This is what I'm doing today. I put the LP trim around the inside of the garage door. It's black because the garage door is black, and then the trim on the outside is natural wood because it's all this natural wood siding over here that's going to go all the way around here. And I got a 2x2 in the corner here because the wood will be right here and then also right here, so I got that. But this is LP 1x8. I put 2x6s here on either side of the door, and then I'll across the top. That's to mount the door to. So I did that. And then I got the trim on the corner here all the way up. So it's wood on this side because there's wood on this side of the house, but this side of the house is where the board and batten starts, so it's black. And you can see all the way up, it's wood on one side, black on the other. So I'm on the corner of the front of the house here. It needs to be wood on both sides of this. So I measured from basically the ground up to the top of that beam, and it was a 101 3/4, so I have to cut to the bottom of the beam. So I need to cut a piece of wood that goes up to the bottom of the beam, and then there'll be a full 16-foot piece that goes up this side that goes all the way up. So I'll go get that cut, and then I'll get that in place. I'm up doing this last piece. I got that one on all the way to the top. Now I'm working on this one. I got this first bottom piece in, which is wood on this side, LP Expert on that side. So now I need to make a piece that goes from here to here, then a piece that goes from here to here, but has the 7 to 12 slope on it.
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there when you're down.
All right, here we're putting rain screen over the zip sheathing. That'll go behind the wood. That allows water to drain behind the wood if it gets behind it when it rains.
I'll be there, I'll be there for you. I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. Whoa.
All right, the windows got delivered, so at this point we're just starting to load up all the windows and get them installed.
When your heart begins to break and it's too broken to be open, I'll be patient, I will wait until you're ready to be open. Everybody needs somebody. Yeah, you got me. You know that I know that you know that I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there when you're down and down on your luck. Things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be there. Hey, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. Whoa, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there when you're down and down on your luck. Things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be there. I will be there for you. I will be there for you all of the time, yeah. Down and down your love. You've had enough. I will be there for you. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I want you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. 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 I'll never let you go.
Good, this side up. Okay. Diego, just take 2 screws in this real quick so you don't have to hold it. It's good.
Little ones are easy.
We put these shims in here.
Yeah.
These shims are level. So we don't have to sit there and try to get the shim level. We just have to get it in because the shims are, we already know the shims are level. And then we just make sure the gap is the same on both sides and that's it. It's really simple.
I'm glad I told you to do that.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Thank you.
Would you look at that? Or 5, 6 windows we've got installed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good.
We didn't finish stretch tape.
Hold on.
right, it's Saturday evening, and I did work today. So did Diego. This is what we got done today. We put the ice and water barrier on the front of this house. This is all going to be stone here, so there will be a nice waterproofing layer behind that stone. And then we started the little overhang, or the little porch over the front door. You can see the wood beams that we cut. Stained them, cut them. You can see the ledger up there. These will be full 2x6 rafters on 24-inch on center, and then it would be 1x8s the roof. It'll also be the ceiling, because you'll see the 1x8s through the open, when you look up here. We got this rain screen on this week also. I got a little more of it on today, but I realized I got to get all the trim around these windows before I can get all that rain screen on. So that rain screen goes behind the natural wood siding, so that if rain or moisture gets behind it, it can drain and doesn't sit behind the wood and rot it out.